Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card to get things rolling. Failure is a bend in the road, not the end of the road. Let's pick a starlight card. Limitless. Know your worth. Expand. Growth is often uncomfortable and messy, but necessary. Let's roll the dice and see what number we get. Number 1. Always your friend. There's nothing wrong for wanting more. I'm too magical for negativity. Don't measure your progress using someone else's ruler. For sure, for sure. Everyone seems normal until you get to know them. Swim in the happy joy of living. Rest in peace to the things that no longer serve me. Recognize that you are unique and that you are loved. Release expectations and enjoy every day. Gratitude turns what we have into what's enough. Nobody is ever too busy. If they truly care, they'll make time. Sing your wild song. What is your wild song? The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Expect little from people. Expect a lot from yourself. And the last one today. Stay private. Let them continue guessing. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.